This conference will now be recorded.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Avinash, I have been trying to reach this guy. What's his name, by the way?
Vikram?
Yeah, since morning I've been messaging him. He's like, I will call you in the noon. Then again, he's not calling me. I mean, I don't know what's going on.
Mm-hmm. I'll ping him. No worries. The number is just. It is an Indian number or US number?
It's a US number,
US
nine
number.
zero eight four nine zero eight nine seven nine.
Yeah, 8979. Okay. I'll message him. Arnima. No worries. I'll speak with him.
Sure.
So okay. I already informed him that the session will be done in a week.
Hmm.
So no
Actually,
worries.
today I have uh, what to say? I have took out. I am sending you. If you could see.
Okay. These are for your location.
Yeah, and um, I was thinking like I am like I'm a new in this field, so like too much experience is not going to work for me, right?
Yeah.
Because
Two
I
or
won't be
three
able
years.
to handle it. So like I was thinking like 2 to 3 years, like I last like since I got my EAD here, like my work authorization. But the other thing, like what experience I'll show in India, like what I was working in India. Hello,
Hello?
hello.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah. So yeah, I was thinking like, because we don't know, right? Like when thing will come. So thing in the sense like, once we apply it, it takes time for them to reply to, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So now for the application, you want a fake experience thing and the resume, right?
Yeah, because he told me like he will provide each and everything, background verification and everything. That's what he told me.
Yeah, they will provide that. They will provide that. No worries on that. For everyone, they will provide those details. That they'll take care of. I think just they are waiting to complete the classes. I think.
Okay,
Uh,
okay, okay. We haven't
uh,
gone through SAMrush, right?
assimilation. Yeah, no, we haven't gone through that. We haven't gone through Google Ads also.
Google Ads.
Yeah.
Okay.
Today we will complete the social media. Then we'll go to Google Ads, and then we'll go to the SMrush.
Okay.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay, LinkedIn. Mostly, uh, LinkedIn is also a social media site, but it's a kind of professional site. It's a kind of professional site where mostly like Facebook is used for the personal. Like we do have friends and followers. Like we'll just update whatever we are doing, where we are going, and what we are doing. But when it comes to LinkedIn, LinkedIn is kind of a professional social media network. Professional in the sense mostly it will be regarding the jobs, finding a job, or posting about our job experiences, mostly on the professional things, or at companies. Even companies will also post about their products, or how their internal employee process goes on, how the job how the job workforce will be, or the pressures, or whatever the experiences of the job. So mostly it will be professional, and LinkedIn will be used for to find the job also, a kind of networking. And here uh, we don't have friends or followers, we do have connections, where we will create the network, okay, to improve the careers or to get a job or anything like that. So LinkedIn also has same profile and page. Okay, LinkedIn also has the profile and page, and in LinkedIn, so the profile is same, like you can create the profile, and here you need to optimize the username. For profiles it will be in. If it is a company it will be c, linkedin.com/c/company name, or in for the profile. Okay,
Mhm.
based on that we can identify whether this is a company or a personal profile. And in here we will get the connections. Connections are like whatever they are, whatever. If you are interested in digital marketing, you can add the people who are into digital marketing, or the HRs, or,
Mhm.
uh, and all. So this is just the basic profile of our LinkedIn. And in LinkedIn also we do have the groups.
Mhm.
So you can see this thing. You can in LinkedIn also you can have the groups. You can find the groups, and you can join in the groups, or you can create a group.
Mhm.
Okay, same like Facebook. In LinkedIn also we can share in groups, so it would be easy to get more reach in the
Mhm.
group section. So basically this is LinkedIn, like same kind of a Facebook, but the way how to use LinkedIn is different. Facebook is kind of personal, and LinkedIn is kind of professional. Everything will be there. The hashtags, groups, events, everything. Whatever we have in Facebook, we have that. But in Facebook, we do have additional things like marketplaces. We don't have marketplaces and things like that in the LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is professional. Mostly, we will find the jobs in LinkedIn, or the career things, or new innovations, and mostly the professional things will be found in LinkedIn. Same way in LinkedIn, we do have the company pages. So we can create the company pages. Okay. Here, when you click on for business, so these are the LinkedIn products. Like in Facebook, we do have marketplace, we do have different things. In here, we do have job postings, and
Mhm.
advertise on LinkedIn, admin center, create a company page. For mostly for a company page, for a company, we need to create a company page. Company page is different. And
Mhm.
then if we create the company page, we can advertise that for the company page. Okay. And for posting a job, this is an additional different thing. Mostly HRs will get this thing. There will
Mhm.
be a charge every month. We need to pay 4,000 or something. Maybe from the
Mhm.
profile also you can get that. Like for example, if you are a HR, or if you are looking for a job, if for your personal profile,
Mhm.
you can get like, so here we can see the details,
Your screen
and it
gone.
says upgrade to premium. Okay, my LinkedIn account is a free account. Mostly it would be free account,
Screen
but
is.
if I upgrade to premium account, I can see the other details, like how many people are working in that company, like some internal details and how many people have visited this page. That kind of details can be seen. And I can send messages to people. Like for example, if there is a message, I can't send messages to everyone. Like I can't click on connect to a person who I don't know, and I can't send that to him. For some people we can send, but for some people there will be privacy settings where they can where we can't send messages to them. But if we upgrade to premium, we can send to everyone the messages, and there will be limits of how many messages we are sending. Mostly LinkedIn is professional, so it won't allow us to message or apply for jobs or post jobs, premium jobs, for within the free. Like if you have free, there are certain limits. You can only apply to these many jobs, or you can post these many jobs, you can message these many jobs in a month or in a day. So if we upgrade to premium, that will be increasing, the limits will get increased. And same way for the HRs also. If you are posting a job right now, if you are looking for a job, if you are a HR and if you are posting a job, if you get a premium account, then your job posting will be visible for many people, so that so that others can uh, apply for jobs. The relevant people can apply for jobs.
Yeah.
This is on the profile section, not when we create a company page. And
Mm-hmm.
when we create a company page, some of the things like how many people are working in that in a company and who are they, like we can see some of them, but most of the, if they are not our connections, we can't see that kind of data. So if we have a premium, we can get that details from the company page.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these are the premium. So this premium are different. This will be a monthly charges around 4,000 rupees or 8,000 rupees. Monthly charges will be there for the LinkedIn premium.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these are different from the advertising. Advertising is different from the premium accounts of LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. These are the profiles. Now we can create a page. If we have a business page, then we can create a page. So when we are creating a LinkedIn page, previously LinkedIn used to ask for the company email ID. Today LinkedIn is not asking for the company email ID,
Mm-hmm.
but sorry, previously LinkedIn used to ask the company email ID so that we can create a company page. Now here
Mm-hmm.
it was asking for the company, showcase page, or educational institution. The company and
Yeah.
educational institution both are same. There is no difference between the company and educational institution. Just the just the basic difference is when it is a company, it will ask for company name. When it is an education institution, it will ask for the school name or the university name. That's
Mm-hmm.
it. There's a basic difference for the company and educational institution. But for the showcase page is a sub page associated with an existing page. Like for example, let's take Infosys or TCS companies,
Mm-hmm.
or let's say Google. If they have a LinkedIn page, they want to create a showcase page for LinkedIn, for Google India or Infosys India. They can create a
Mm-hmm.
sub page within the page. They can create a sub page which is a showcase page to show only particular region details or particular product details.
Mm-hmm.
In Google, if they can create a Google India different page, or they can create a product only for Google Photos, or only a particular product, a subcategory. For that, they can create a showcase page. So most people will create the company, or if it is an educational institution, they might go with the educational institutions.
Mm-hmm.
These are the details. So in the name, company. So when I said it like C, it will be under with the C. So this will be the public URL. This is important. So in
Yeah.
social media, when you are creating multiple accounts like LinkedIn account, Facebook account, Twitter, or any other social media,
Mm-hmm.
try to make sure the username or the public URL will be same for all the accounts. Like in Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any other Instagram, the username
Mm-hmm.
should be same if possible. If there is a chance to get the same username, then you can get the same username in all the different social channels. So it would be easy for the users to remember the company usernames.
Okay.
Website, industry, organization. Yes or no? Any questions?
No, no, no.
Okay, just that's it. You can create a page simply. After creating the page, you can just update the images, the background image, and the about section. Let me show.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here these are the things. It would be around 10 to 13 things which we need to add. Like here, it was asking for the description, logo, location, relevant pages, your first post. It was asking to post the first thing. Share open roles. No, if you have job postings from the company side, you can select that. Custom buttons, hashtags. So when we create a page, we need to fill all these details like under the edit
Mm-hmm.
page section. We do
Mm-hmm.
have these things. Page info, the logo, the name, and all the public URL and the tagline.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, buttons. Buttons will be visible in here. You as a member. So visit website. So this is the button which will add.
Okay.
Okay. We can mention whatever the button we want, like contact us, learn more, register, sign up, or visit
Mm-hmm.
website.
Mm-hmm.
The drop down itself. About section. We need to write about us. So unlike Facebook we can exclude something like there's no need to give it a proper description. There's no need to add
Mm-hmm.
such details. Like when you go to Nike or different Facebook pages, you will see just Nike
Mm-hmm.
and that's it. There, like Hyderabad, USA or something. That will be it. There will be nothing mentioned. But when it comes
Mm-hmm.
to LinkedIn, and if you're creating a LinkedIn, if you want to build a network and followers for your company or for your profile, you need to add
Mm-hmm.
the proper description about your company, so that it would be easy for others to understand what they are doing, what kind of
Mm-hmm.
service they are giving. Okay. Because LinkedIn is professional, and these are required. The category, sizes, and all the basic things,
Mm-hmm.
talents, workplace. So workplace module, you can on this workplace module, and you can add the whatever the job postings you have. You can add that. Choose an option on-site, hybrid, remote, like on-site. So describe your company work policy. Add the website description. So we can add most of all the details, like the HR policies, everything. We can add it here.
Mm-hmm.
Commitments, like in 5 years, what your company is trying to achieve. In 3 years, what they are trying to achieve. Okay, or you have achieved something, then you can start adding those commitments in here.
Mm-hmm.
Locations, if you have 10 locations, some companies might have like if they are a distributorship, and for example like Walmart or
Yeah.
Dmart, then they'll have different location, so they can
Mm-hmm.
add that kind of locations in here for a particular
Mm-hmm.
company. Lead gen forms, these lead gen forms are for the when we are going for the advertisements, like Facebook will create the lead gen forms, same like Facebook will create them. So that forms we can create it here. So we can create the lead gen forms for different requirements. So mostly we can use the same lead gen form. One, if we have one lead gen form, we can add it for all. Just to make sure, we need to have the headline and body copy as a different. So then we can use it for all. But if you want a different forms, we can create different forms for each of
Mm-hmm.
those requirements. Hashtags. Mentioning hashtags is not required here, but if you mention hashtag, it would be easy for LinkedIn algorithm to promote it to the exact people who are looking for those kind of hashtags. So these are
Mm-hmm.
mandated to be. Of course, LinkedIn will not force us to add them, but as it is a professional networking site, we need to add those
Mm-hmm.
details. So it would be better for our optimization part.
Okay.
Okay. And then under the settings is just for our internal use. So you can manage the admin, you can share the access of this page to other people. At the access also, we do have different levels.
Mm-hmm.
So super admin, content admin, curator or analyst. Okay, based on the requirement, we can give the access to the people. Manage following. So what I'm following, what I need to follow. So I'm not following
Mhm.
anything. So I can follow that as a company page. What you're following.
Mhm.
Domains are not that required, so you can add the email address for the domains. So add an approved email domain so that employees can verify their work at your organization. This can be used across the my company tab or to post a job on LinkedIn on behalf of your company. So as I said previously, LinkedIn, when we are creating a page, it used to ask the company email ID and verify that with an OTP or a link. So then the LinkedIn page will get created, so that we will not create duplicates of LinkedIn page. Like if someone are working in India, someone are working in other places, if they don't find a LinkedIn page on the company, they might go and create a head. For example, if you have a company, maybe 2 3 people might create the LinkedIn pages for your company. So for that reason, to avoid the duplicates, LinkedIn used to ask for the company email ID. Now it was not asking. With the Gmail also, you can create the LinkedIn account. But when you're doing such things like job postings or things like that, then at that point of time, it was verifying the account. So we need to add the domains. If you have two companies within the same, or maybe one company with two email IDs, you can add those verification process. Okay, for that particular company, you can add those verification process. So these are my company, my domains, my company. Just this is nothing. Okay. Jobs. You can add the job details to your page. Whatever the jobs you have, you can just
Mhm.
share new jobs. You can on this, and you can add the jobs. Okay. So if you have any jobs, you can just post it.
Mhm.
Okay. So in LinkedIn, what happen if you want to increase likes or followers to your page? Most people are looking for jobs or professional content. So this is a
Mhm.
page. In Facebook, we might post engaging content. In Instagram, also we might post some videos, some reels, where people will engage with those content. But
Mhm.
in Facebook or Instagram, for a company, we might not get more engagement because you're promoting about a product or you're promoting about a
Mhm.
service. Most people are not interested at the beginning of those things. When it
Mhm.
comes to LinkedIn, if you post these kind of job postings, because professionally they are looking for these kind of details, so we can get more engagement. Okay,
Okay.
so this is just a preview. We don't have any posting, we don't have any likes for this particular page, but this is just a preview.
Mhm.
And then deactivating the page if you are not um, in Facebook. We can merge the pages. Okay, if you
Mhm.
have a page, if you have a company page, and if you are creating a new company page, or maybe you have purchased another company and you both the companies are getting merged, so then why do we have the two pages? Like one, if you are merging two companies, one of the company might get deleted, the domain and everything will be shifted to other company. So at that point of time, in Facebook we can merge the companies. Okay, we can merge the both the pages. And
Okay.
in LinkedIn we can't do those things. LinkedIn
Mhm.
we need to deactivate the page itself because it's a company. It will be verified with the domain and all. So mostly LinkedIn will not allow to merge the other companies. So we need to deactivate the page.
Okay.
So these are the settings. Mostly under the edit section, we need to add all the details so that public can see whatever requirements we have.
Mhm.
Only if under the settings we can add, we can verify, and we can do the job posting settings. That's it.
Mhm.
Okay. This is the page. Now, how do we increase our uh, likes or whatever we are doing? How do we increase our likes or things like that? So when we are posting about in the company page, what do we post? We do promote the same post which we are posting in Facebook and Instagram or Twitter can be posted in LinkedIn also. Whatever it
Mhm.
is, the work thing, the fun part, okay, everything can be posted. In addition to that, in LinkedIn, we need to post about our employees. Okay, maybe for example, sometimes people might post employee of the month, employee of the week, or employee of the quarter. These kind of
Mm-hmm.
postings, or you can post awards which are been given in inside the company,
Mm-hmm.
and then job postings can be posted, and work culture at your organization. If there are any events happening or any activities happening like Fun Friday or things like that, whatever happening in the LinkedIn in your company itself.
Mm-hmm.
So you can showcase that through the LinkedIn. So as LinkedIn is professional, it will create a good branding internally, like good branding around the company employee structure or employee about the workforce. It will create a good branding from the LinkedIn itself,
Mm-hmm.
and we will get more. Like maybe if you add a job posting in Naukri or any other job portal websites, and
Mm-hmm.
in LinkedIn, if you have good engagement in LinkedIn, you will get more profiles in LinkedIn itself, more job applications from the LinkedIn itself.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And to extend that, this is for the free part. And if you have a premium HR account or premium user account, then you can
Mm-hmm.
get more profiles. If you are visiting to more profiles, like the first connection, there will be connections, first connection and second connection. First connection means directly you have connected with me in LinkedIn, so then we both are first connections. Okay, now there are some connections with you, have some other connection, your friends. So for me
Mm-hmm.
they will be second connections, because for them and me, you are the mutual friend for us. Not
Mm-hmm.
mutual, but you are the person where I can connect with them, with you. Okay, so they are the second connections. So now I
Mm-hmm.
can't go and visit my second connection profiles. I can see your profile as we are connected,
Yeah.
but I can't see your connection. Okay, so but when
Mm-hmm.
we go to premium, we can see view all the all the profiles in LinkedIn.
Okay.
So this is on the organic part of LinkedIn, and
Mm-hmm.
posting we can do whatever we can.
Yeah.
Okay. And when it comes to advertising, so in LinkedIn, advertising is important. So here you'll have the advertise button. If you are not seeing the advertise button here, just under the for business, you can click on advertise on LinkedIn. So mostly I haven't seen this. If we are doing more of advertising, then we'll see this button, or
Mm-hmm.
here it will advertise on LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, both are same. Um, For campaigns, for advertising, we do have different accounts. So account which will be associated with the page, with this page, whatever the page we have.
Mm-hmm.
For this page, we can create account. We can create multiple ad accounts. There is no need to have only one. For example, here this is the page for that. Now I can create another account. Account name United States, associated page URL. Okay. Now I can give the same page URL.
Yeah.
So this LinkedIn page will be associated with this account. So this is how it comes. Just I can create and save it. Okay, but I can't delete it once it was saved. Okay. There is no delete option right now, because there is no delete option right now. I haven't seen delete option for any pages. It will be disabled. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So once we create the account, this is the account. Account is nothing. Just when we click on the account, we
Mm-hmm.
will come inside the ads manager. So these are all the different accounts. These are not for one company. Okay.
Okay.
Where are they? Yeah, these are all the different accounts, active or on hold, for different companies. Okay. Now inside each account. So this is the account for Ravi Tota real estate, for this real estate account. We will have these things. When in Facebook or Twitter, we do have the campaigns, ad groups, and ads.
Mm-hmm.
Three tabs. Okay. Now we have ad groups in the Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, but in LinkedIn we do have first campaign groups, and then campaigns and ads. Okay, campaign group is just a name where we can create a group, For example, if you have a service, uh, or like if you are selling a product, or AR web media, under
Mhm.
that if you're selling kind of, under these web media you have sports and travel, both you're promoting. Sports is
Mhm.
a group, all the sports campaign will be in the sports group. Travel is a different group, all the travel campaigns will be under the travel group. So like that. So here for this real estate, villas is one group, plots are one group.
Mhm.
Okay. It just nothing, just creating the name, that's it. So we can go ahead and create a campaign group, and we can name um, okay, group objective. There's no need to pick these things, just we
Mhm.
can off that, or just while creating the campaign also we can do all these things. Okay, we can just create it, that's it. Nothing else on the group side, so it will come up. Yeah, so we have here homes also. Okay, it was not delivering, it's fine. This is just the groups, creating a group, nothing else. And inside the groups we do have the campaigns.
Mhm.
Okay, so under the campaign group we have selected one. We are seeing campaigns for only one group. Okay, these are the campaigns. Now how do we create the campaign? So just click on the create campaign. It will here it will ask for the group, under which group you want to create a campaign,
Mhm. Mhm.
quick or advanced. If it is a quick, we can just use only two things, brand awareness or website visit. We can just give the
Mhm.
basic details and we can save and continue. But mostly we will not use the quick campaign creation, because under quick we can't make it more detailed, the campaign will not be better. Okay,
Mhm.
the campaign group, here we have the select group. We have all these groups, under which group we want to add this campaign. Just it's a category, group is kind of a category. If you're selling, promoting for homes or villas, just select whatever you want.
Mhm.
These are the group details. Next, now under this objective, so here we can name it. So here, same like Facebook and Twitter, everything we have these awareness stage, consideration stage, and conversion stage. Under the awareness and consideration or conversion, we have different options. So brand awareness, website visits, engagements are likes and followers, and under the social media posts, video views. Okay. So under this brand awareness also, it's just an impression. But next stage is visits and video views and engagements. After coming to the website or viewing the video or engaging with the post, they need to uh, go to website and they need to submit a lead. That is the lead generation process after the consideration stage. Talent lead
Mhm.
is not available here. Website conversions and job applications. So for the job applications also we can do the promotions from our company page itself.
Mhm.
We'll select the brand awareness at first. Okay, if you select the objective as a brand awareness, you can see this forecasted result. Okay,
Mhm.
we haven't added anything as of now, but we can see this target audience here. And here also same, we have the saved audiences. If we
Mhm.
create them and we can save, it will be saved. If not, we need to start from the beginning. Okay, the location, we can give the location. In India you are targeting complete India, but if just you want to exclude like let's say Delhi,
Mhm.
you can exclude this one particular location. Okay, in India you are targeting completely but excluding Delhi.
Mhm.
Target audience. Now here we need to start to whom in India, to whom we need to show the ad.
Mhm.
So here also narrow and exclude. We have the both. We can select that. So here two things. We have audience and our audience attributions. So
Mhm.
audience attributes we will use mostly, but audience we will not use most of the times. So audience are like list upload. If you have email IDs, if you have the company, mostly LinkedIn will have the company email or Gmail, whatever. If you have the
Mhm.
company email IDs, that list we can upload. If we upload that list, it can be seen here. Okay. And lookalike audience are same. If you save an audience list, same lookalike. If I save you as my audience or you
Mhm.
and your connect as 500 people, same
Mhm.
same kind of criteria which you have, they are the related audience. If you are interested in digital marketing, if other people are interested in digital marketing, then they are the lookalike audience for you.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Retargeting, we can save them. Like for example, in the previous campaign, some people have engaged in the last month, they have liked or shared or commented on that. We
Mhm.
can save things and we can target to those particular people only. Maybe in the from the last 3 months you are running a campaign
Mhm.
by spending $10,000 or $2,000 something, and you got good impressions. But from that impression, 50% of the people have engaged. 50% of them are not engaged. So we don't need those 50% who haven't engaged. We need only people who have engaged. So we can target to that 50% of the people using this remarketing campaign. And third-party apps, we do have different apps, third-party company or contract. Others are nothing. We haven't created anything yet, so it will not come up. So these are the audiences which we have or which we need to create from our dashboards. Now,
Mhm.
other than these, if you want to target different people, then under the attribute section, when we are creating the campaign, we will uh, create from the audience attributes. If it is a new campaigns,
Mhm.
if it is not remarketing or retargeting
Mhm.
campaign, in audience attributes, LinkedIn has this good feature where we can target exact person. In Facebook,
Mhm.
when you're targeting, you can target a particular age group, a particular interested person. If a person is interested in digital marketing within this
Mhm.
particular age and within the particular location, we can target them. That's it. Okay. But in LinkedIn, we can target everything. We can target, as this is a professional, and as in our profile section, we will give
Mhm.
all the details, right? Like what company I'm working in, like what company I'm working in, what location I'm working in, and how much experience do I have. All the details will be given. So based on that, here in the campaigns section, or add audience attributes, if you want to target a particular set of people, like if you're selling a product or a service, digital marketing service, who will be the decision maker? As an execute can't decide whether I need to go with these company services. Only the C level people in some companies, like maybe CEO, CTO, or CMO,
Mhm.
or the manager level people can decide that. So we need to show the ad to only those manager level people who can approve or who can mm, decide on taking the services. Okay. We can do that in uh, LinkedIn. If you want to target only Python developers, Python senior developers from Infosys,
Mhm.
you can target them with
Mhm.
an ad copy. So here you can see that company. Let's add some details. So under company, we do have company category, company connections, followers, growth rate, industry. If you go to industry, so
Mhm.
maybe construction, what kind of company industry you would like to target. Under construction, we do have three things: civil engineering, or under civil engineering, again we do have highways, subdivision, utility systems, okay, subdivision
Mhm.
of land. So finally we are targeting these kind of people. So it will come down, the target audience size will come down. Based on that only, we have
Mhm.
found 760 people, because we are drilling down too much. Okay. uh,
Yeah.
we are drilling down on too much. But if you want to target a company, like for example, if you want to target Infosys, okay, under Infosys, so here you can see the company name. Sometimes it
Mhm.
might not be company name, but here you
Mhm.
can see company Infosys. I'm targeting Infosys and PCS, other consultancy services, and here you can see different companies:
Mhm.
Wipro, Tech Mahindra. So these are the companies that I want to target. And then after companies, in these companies, many people will work. There will be like normal jobs, software jobs, IT jobs, different
Mhm.
Python, JavaScript, developers, testers, every jobs will be available. Now, my product is not useful or my service is not useful for everyone. So now I need to drill down to their
Mhm.
job experiences. Okay. Here demographics are there, the age groups, which we can pick. These are just the basic demographics which we have. If you want, we can pick that. The education also, we can pick whatever they have, what they want their minimum qualification should be, like the PhD, masters or bachelors or whatever. We can add those
Mhm.
details under the education or field of study or member of school. Other than that, interest and
Mhm.
traits. Interest also normal if they are joined in member groups. If they are joined in digital marketing groups, then those we can select the particular group also. If you have any group in your
Mhm.
profile section, you can search for that particular group. So these are the
Mhm.
groups digital marketing related. So you can search for that interest and interest. Member interest or member to see. Here the job experience is important when we give the company and then the
Mhm.
job experience. So here we do have different things. Job functions. What is the job function? Accounting, administrative, arts, or business
Mhm.
development. So from these companies,
Mhm.
here we do have two things: or option or and option. Okay, I'm selecting and. Okay, because I want these people in these companies and they should work as a business development. In TCS or Wipro or Tech Mahindra, they need to be as a business development. If you give or, then it would be different. If you give or for a company, then not only those three companies, every other company business development people will also see the ads.
Mhm.
Okay, the difference between and or. So we need to be careful while picking this and or option. Okay,
And
now
okay.
under this thing, I need the job experience. For job function, I have business development. Now we can add many things like business, marketing. So business
Mhm.
development and marketing. We can pick these things under the job experience, and we can pick the job seniority also, their level,
Mhm.
how much, like who will take the decision. Like unpaid or training or entry level people, they can't take any decisions. So they are not required. Senior people will handle these training or unpaid or entry level people. That's it. Most of the times at the beginning
Mhm.
senior level, managers
Mhm.
can take decisions or can at least be the part of the discussions when they are taking the decisions.
Mhm.
Okay. And directors and VPs are are the important people where they'll take the decisions, and the CXO level people. Partners
Mhm.
and owners are fine. Sometimes we can pick them related based on whatever we want, but some of the decisions will not go till them. Like owners and partners, they will not get to know about what kind of services we are using. Sometimes, if it is a bigger company, depending on the
Mhm.
company size, they will decide that. Again, here we do have and or function. So now it is an or function. These
Mhm.
companies and these jobs are the seniority.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay, so and or conditions, we need to use it carefully. So if you are using and condition for everything, for sometimes we don't see that. Okay, so now it's under TCS, Wipro and Tech Mahindra companies, people who are working under business development and marketing,
Mhm.
and they need their seniority level should be manager, director, or VP. So we are
Mhm.
targeting only manager, director, or VP, and in business development and marketing for these particular three companies. So we do
Mhm.
have a target audience size of 80 to 100 plus. Okay,
Okay.
like that we can target very detailed people. Okay,
Yeah.
job experience, how much experience they do have, interest and traits are not required. Okay, and then if you want to exclude some people, okay, then you
Mhm.
can do that under the exclude section. The same details will be available under exclude. Whatever you want to exclude, you can exclude.
Mhm.
And here enable audience expansion. This is not required. uh, LinkedIn has some
Mm-hmm.
other websites. Other websites means like Forbes or some other professional networks. LinkedIn have like Forbes or some other company pages. If you okay, if you expand the audience, it will show the ad to the lookalike audience also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and it will show the ads to outside of the LinkedIn also, like Forbes, and they do have some network, maybe hundreds of sites, 300 or 500 sites. The ad will be shown in those sites also. So this
Mm-hmm.
audience expansion is not required because here we are making it precise. We need to see only these kind of people. Okay. So again, if you expand the audience, it will show to lookalike audience, and that then the results might be different. So we don't need that.
Mm-hmm.
uh, for for some mostly for the lead generation and the conversion, like the consideration or conversion, we should not pick that. But for awareness, it's okay, it's just an awareness campaign, anyone can see the ad. If you feel in that way, then you can include enable audience expansion for
Mm-hmm.
awareness. But for consideration also fine, you can expand that. But for conversions, you should not do this, because if you enable this, they might not convert, those people might not convert. And now the ad format, what kind of ads we need to show them: single image, carousel
Mm-hmm.
image, video, text, or whatever we want, followers, spotlight, document, conversion, event. Okay, so mostly right now we'll go with single image. Anything will be same, just the format will be different. If it is carousel image, we need to give them two images or more images. Video, we need to upload a video instead of image. Text, just without any images, we need to add text.
Mm-hmm.
So here when I go to my home page, so this is a promoted ad for LinkedIn with the image. Okay, they do have
Mm-hmm.
content, the link. They haven't given the hashtags. This is the image. That's it. And here the button. So if it is a video, it will be video. The below button will be same, and the above description will be same. That's it. If it is a carousel ad, this will have 2 to 3 images.
Mm-hmm.
So this is also image ad, promoted image ad. So this is also promoted video ad.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, same request demo on the button, just instead of image we do have a video. That's it. So we can pick the image ad. Okay, this is the LinkedIn audience network, where LinkedIn have 200 or 300 websites, so this is also not required. And the budgets, so based on budgets, again this details will change. Right now our audience size is 80 to 100 plus, and this is very low, so LinkedIn will suggest us, it will show an error actually. Yeah. For optimal campaign delivery and engagement, suggest a minimum target size of 50,000 people. Okay, so at least 50,000 people we need to have. So LinkedIn, here some of the people might not open LinkedIn is not a regularly used site. So
Mm-hmm.
mostly people, when they need jobs or when they want to do something, then they will come and open the LinkedIn accounts. They might not use regularly. In these 80 to 100 people, we don't know how many people will open the LinkedIn regularly and not.
Yeah.
So based on that, it's better to have higher number of audience size.
Mm-hmm.
That is based on the audience. Whatever we give here, this number will come up based on these things. And these details, like the spend and the details, will impact based on the budget. Now if it was given to $150, so we do have this spend based on 150. The reach, the key results will be 1300 to 2300.
Mm-hmm.
Now if I make it, this is daily budget, if I make it to $50 per day, from 1300, okay, it was showing the same, but it will come down from $50. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and the dates. So here also same, daily budget and lifetime budget we can use. Okay, we can set the both lifetime and daily budget. Fine. Uh, run campaigns regularly. Start and end dates you can use if you want. Optimization, we have the reach as a goal, and impression. Both are same. Impression reach means if it reach to one the users, how many users are looking. Impression
Mhm.
means how many times they are looking. Okay, if we both have seen the ad, the reach is to two people. But if we both have seen the ad three times or four times, then the impressions are two. Like one people, one user, two impressions. Okay, that is the difference of reach and impression. So why it was recommending to reach, for the reach. So we can pick whatever we want. Impressions also, like if it is a brand awareness, mostly we will try to get impressions,
Okay.
because once I see the ad, I'll not able to remember the ad in the next 15 minutes because I'll see many posts.
Mhm. Mhm.
If I see the impression, the same ad was reached to me, but I need to see the ad multiple times in a day or in a week. So if I
Mhm.
see multiple times, I can remember the ad. Okay, so we can go with the impressions, or it depends on whatever. And when we are going with the impressions, the bidding strategy.
Sure.
So the, yeah, impressions have been increased. The reach will be around 3,000 people or 2,000 people. Now when we made it impression, the impression it was changed to 23,000 to 87,000 impressions.
Mhm.
Okay. Now the maximum delivery or cost cap. So we need to use cost cap.
Mhm.
Cost cap is for 1,000 impressions. If you are picking maximum delivery, then here it was telling us we recommend a cost cap of at least $16. Similar advertisers are spending from $9 to $47. Okay, this is too high. 1,000 impressions. In Facebook, we can give around $3 for 1,000 impressions.
Mhm.
Okay, but in LinkedIn it was suggesting the minimum is $10, and the average is around $16. Okay, for 1,000 impressions. So LinkedIn is high, very high. So that is the reason most of the companies will not come to LinkedIn. But if you're having a B2B company, business to business, if you're selling a service to only
Mhm.
other business, then LinkedIn is the better place to promote. Even the cost is high, that is
Mhm.
fine, we can get leads. So now let's make it, we can give $7 also, whatever we want we can give. Where is it? Let us give $8. We can give below also, it's fine, but the ad might not
Mhm.
run great, and it will show to the users who are not very interested in the products. But if you give as recommended, like
Mhm.
$16 per 1,000 impressions, the ad will run in a better way. We can get good kind of engagement or things like that.
Mhm.
If you give maximum delivery based on competition, it might take $16 or $20. Manual bidding also same. We can just give the number whatever we want. The mostly the same
Mhm.
cost cap. Okay. And conversion, for the awareness or things we don't have conversion. If it is a uh, for awareness we don't have conversion. But if you are going for the awareness campaign, we need to know what kind of conversions we are getting. For that reason, we will create conversions. So we'll see
Mhm.
different place how to create the conversions. So here, once you click next, it will ask for the confirm save. Once you save, you can't make changes. You can't make changes to the objective. What is the objective and the ad copy type, like the image or carousel or video. You can't make these two changes. You can change
Mhm.
the audience, whatever you want. You can change the audience and budgets and everything, but you can't change the ad format and the objective of the campaign. If you want to change, you need to again create a new campaign.
Mhm.
Okay, so here on the audience section, when you're creating new campaign, if you want to see but you want a different format, you can save the audience. Yeah, you can save this audience. I have created this audience and we can save this audience. Okay,
Mhm.
so this same audience can be used for the next campaign also. Next, I am saving it. Now the ad copy. Same like browse existing content, we will see from the page whatever we have. If you click on create new ads, we will
Mhm.
create the advertisements. The format. LinkedIn ad format will be simple, just the introduction text,
Mhm.
link and hashtag. Okay, this is how it will be seen. And the destination URL. Based on the destination URL, we might see some link here, but sometimes it will come the article share. So the image, as we are selecting the image, so here you can see if I give the link as google.com, here you're seeing the google.com. And once I add the image, this is how the image comes up, and here the image. Once I add the button, here the button will come up.
Mhm.
The headline is just I'm adding it as a headline test. Description. Okay, we have this learn more button. This is the ad copy. That's it. Simple. Nothing more. We can save the ad. Once we save the ad, this will be draft. This will not get published. So now here it was under the draft. We can click on action or duplicate or delete. And once we review this content, whatever it is,
Mhm.
click on it. Billing information is needed. We haven't added that. It's fine. Next. And then here we can review those details and we can launch the campaign. Campaign group status for this campaign is active in order to launch the campaign. Campaign group. Okay, we have off the campaign group. So here, when we come to campaign groups, we are enabling the group.
Mhm.
Okay, and then campaigns. So here, edit and launch for these things. If we launch, only it will be edit option. So we will have the option to launch the campaign. Okay, we haven't given the payment details, but we can launch the campaign. Okay, so this is the campaign not delivering because account on hold due to payment
Mhm.
details. So here, if we edit the campaign, if we launch the campaign, we'll see only edit option. If we don't launch the campaign, it will say edit and launch.
Mhm.
Okay, this is the LinkedIn creation ad copy creation. Okay, and once here on the left side, okay, so on the campaigns, we do have these more options. When we click on the more option, you will see this chat. When you click on this chat option, we can see these details of campaign performance in detail. Uh, at here also we can see all the campaign performance details. But here we can see how many people our ad has been reached, like how much money we have spent.
Mhm.
What happened? Okay, how much money spent, cost per result, how many impressions we are getting, clicks, how many we are getting, the CTR, and the details will be seen here. Okay, how
Mhm.
much we have given the cost cap of bidding, the details, every detail will be here. But when we come here to the chat section, we can see the clear details, like how every day it was performing. Here the view will be under performance or demographics. Under performance, this is the basic details which we'll see, the graph. When we go to the demographics, we'll see the complete details of what kind of job functions we are getting. Let me change it. Actually, this is not the running campaign, so let me change it to a different account. Okay, so this is a chat how you will see under the performance, and the chat is for clicks. So if you want it for impressions, we can change it to impressions or cost per click. These are the cost per click details. So on January 1st, we have $8 per click. On March 1st, $10 per click. So this is the average clicks,
Mhm.
CTR. Okay, so these are the details we can see. And under performance, if we change it to demographics. So
Mhm.
here under demographics, we can find all the interesting things, like we have given, like in the previous campaign when we are creating, we have given Infosys and these three companies, and the job function should be VP or CXO or the manager, these people. So now here we can see all those details, job function or whatever the given. We have given company, job function, and job title, three things. Based on three
Mhm.
things, we can get all the other information also. So now let's see, if a company, this campaign is being shown, the ad is shown to the operation job function, the impression, 24% of the impressions are for operations group,
Mhm.
for sales 18%, development. So you can get these details. If we select company, what company employees are seeing this? Johnson Controls are 0.35% of impressions are for this company. Train Technologies, this many. So we can see all the company details and job titles also. Whatever the information we have, like owner, president, project manager, we can see all the information in the LinkedIn. Like we can target exactly in LinkedIn, we can target exactly to the people whom we want to target. And the cost will be high, but it is fine because
Mhm.
we are targeting exactly, and we can see the details who are seeing our ad exactly, like from a particular company, from particular job function or job title or anything, job seniority, location, everything. We can see all the details completely. So this ad was completely for United States. In United States, these are the locations. For this particular location, I'm getting these things. Okay, now what I need to do? So I'm not, this campaign has been performing in this particular location highest, like 15% of the ad
Mhm.
impressions. Now I don't want this location. I can go to the campaign back, and I can
Mhm.
exclude that particular location. Okay, to improve the campaign, I can edit the ad, and under location, if I don't want that particular location from the United States, I can exclude that.
Mhm.
Okay, so where is the exclude? So yeah, here I can exclude that particular location, so it will not show, our ad will not be shown in that particular location. So in LinkedIn, the details will be clear, and the targeting will also be clear. Okay, so for your understanding the pricing details, let me show you. uh, okay, here for these campaigns, can see the cost per click will be high, around one people per one. If one people clicked on it, it would be $9, $10 per click, $6 per click, $8 per click. Okay, so the cost will be high. For 1,000 impressions in Facebook, we will pay only $3, but here we are paying
Mhm.
$30. Okay, so depending on campaign, the LinkedIn cost will be too high. Do you have time, Arunima? This will complete it.
Yeah, yeah, we can.
If you are getting it, fine. If you are not, we can continue tomorrow.
Oh no, that's fine.
Okay. So here, this is how we will create the campaign and how we will check the details, like the impression and details on that. Now, under the left side, we do have a menu. Like when you click on the menu, you will see all the account names. Not the below that, if you click on anything, you will see all these details: plan,
Mm-hmm.
advertise, test, analyze. Okay. And below our company page and business manager is different. It's fine. We will go to our company pages, our profile section again. Under the account section, you can provide access to other people. Like if I'm working on your company advertisements,
Mm-hmm.
you can provide access to me for this ad account, not the complete LinkedIn page or your profile, just the advertisement account. Okay. Billing center, whether the credit card or bank account, whatever it is, edit account name. That's it. This edit account will be nothing, just the account name will be there. This is what manage access. Under the access also, you do have different levels. So account manager, viewer, creative, campaign manager. Only one billing manager can be available. Okay, this billing admin will be the super admin.
Mm-hmm.
Billing center, the billing admin will have access to this billing center. Only billing admin can use this billing center. They can add their credit card or debit card or whatever the details it is. They can add this thing. Under assets, we'll have these lead gen forms. We can create the lead gen forms. Okay. And landing pages or asset history. Landing pages are nothing but just our website landing pages itself. We need to use some we need to get permission, and we can use the landing pages. Like if you have a website and there are some uh,
Mm-hmm.
other platforms like Google Blogger or some Canva, where we can create the landing pages separately, not in our website but outside the website. Okay. So as of now, this is not verified. Okay, you need landing page admin permission and a recruiter access. Permission are managed from your LinkedIn page. So from our page, if we verify with our email ID, we can get this access. And if you're admin, we can add the landing page details in here. Okay. Asset history, if you have added any history, that will be shown here. That is, these are
Mm-hmm.
the things. And here, when it comes to plan, advertise is what we have seen. Test is like A by B testing. We can create two campaigns and test with the different audience and audience. Analyze, under analyze section, we will have these insight tags. Same like Twitter or Facebook, we have this insight tag. We need to install it through the Google Tag Manager. I will use a tag manager, so you can install it by yourself, send it to a developer, or you can install the tag manager. So if you use the tag manager, so you can just copy the code. Same way, go to Google Tag Manager and just add this, create a tag and add it. Okay. If you if you don't want to do all these things, just you can link to tag manager. Just you can click on it and give the access. LinkedIn will automatically install the tag. So under new tag, you can click on create a new tag and select what tag you want. You are right now, yesterday we have done Twitter, so we have selected Twitter. Now we are doing LinkedIn. We will select LinkedIn Insights. Under LinkedIn Insight, it will ask for the tag ID. This is the tag ID which you need to give. Okay. And where it should fire on all the pages. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not saving it. You can create by your own, by yourself, when you create the AR web media. Okay. So it would be easy for you. Once we create also, it's fine. We can delete it. Okay. I'm not creating it right now, but this is how you can create it. Once you save that, you need to submit it. That's it. This insight tag will be created. Once the insight tag will be created, like Google Analytics, LinkedIn will also track all the users. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
all the website people, how many people are coming. Once you do that, your audience will start building. Okay, how many users are coming, from which location they are coming, what page has how many users. That all details will be tracked by LinkedIn, so that we can do the remarketing campaigns.
Mhm.
Okay, conversion tracking is same. Like previously, when we are creating a campaign, it asked for what is a conversion. Now we need to tell it what is a conversion. So for that, we need to create a conversion. So while creating the conversion, why it is okay. Now we need to install the LinkedIn pixel from the tag manager, so that it would be easy for us to create these conversion. Okay, name, select key behavior. They're applying a job or whatever they are doing, billing information, ad clicker, ad view. If we have created the conversion, we can add like add to cart also. For example, the behaviors, outbound link, register event, and these will be there. Uh,
Mhm.
but if you want to add more other details, okay, like add to cart, so from the website inside we can do all those add to carts, remove from cart, that details we can also create as a conversion. So once we create conversion, it will be seen in the campaigns, and we can select what is a conversion for different campaigns. Okay,
Mhm.
data sources, add data source. If you want anything like inside data, offline data is you need to upload the email id or whatever you have the upload
Mhm.
data. So our data source is inside tag, which will be installed through the uh, Google tag manager. Okay, two
Mhm.
we have added our inside tag. If you want to upload data, you can upload with the offline data. Test is a by b advertising. And under plan, so under plan we do have audience and brand safety. So audience, whatever we have, like if you install the uh, tag like LinkedIn inside tag, so it will create all users. So right now basically all users will be created by itself. Now if you don't want on all the users, you want just a particular people, then you can create here the audience. You can upload a list, company or contract, the email IDs, it will ask for the email IDs.
Mhm.
Okay, so the contact list, you can download the contact list template. Okay, let me show that. Can you see my screen, Excel?
Yeah.
This is so here this is the template. Email ID and name are mandatory. The other things are not required. Okay, only these two are important. Okay. If you have email only, you can upload email also. It is fine. But if you get all the details like the job title and all the country and all the details, then LinkedIn can match the exact user with all the details.
Mhm.
So this is how you upload the list, or retargeted by company page or documents, lead gen forms, single image, video, website. So under the website, if you want it only for a for particular page, if a person visited to a particular product page or a service page, you want to save those audience.
Mhm.
Okay, then you can save those only those particular audience, and you can run ads for that people. For example, if you have a digital marketing AR web media digital marketing solutions, in that you'll
Mhm.
have SEO a different page, social media a different page. For social media, you can create a audience list. Let's see.
Okay.
Prospect audience will be SEO surveys page. Who have engaged with us 90 days? Maybe let me take it 30 days.
Mhm.
Starts contains equals of contents. You can copy paste the link. If you are copy pasting the link, you can say it equal. Or if you are saying contains, then type in a word or a string, maybe SEO. If the URL contain SEO, then we can add it. Then we can agree and create it.
Mhm.
Okay. After some time, this will get the audience. Okay, no signal reach yet because we haven't installed the tag itself.
Mhm.
So it will come. Okay, once it was done, we'll get those details. So that way we can create the audience. Okay. So this is the audience creation. This is basically the complete LinkedIn uh, managing, how to handle the LinkedIn and how to
Mm-hmm.
create the campaign, how to see the reports, and how to make changes to it.
Okay.
So you create an account for AR Web Media, create a page, and
Mm-hmm.
create some campaigns so that it would be understanding to you. So if you have any doubts, I can clarify them.
Okay. It
Okay.
will not block my LinkedIn, right? For AR web
No,
media.
it will not block your link.
Okay, okay.
If you feel like it will block or things like that, just with some other email ID, create a fake LinkedIn account and start creating the account. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to
Mm-hmm.
test the accounts, I can provide access to one of the account. But there's no creation of account. You can just create the campaigns only. If you want, I
Mm-hmm.
can do that. If you have like think
Because
it
I
will not.
have created account, but it's keep on blocking me. Like I don't know what's happening. So that's the issue.
Okay, maybe create it from your mobile this time with a different
Mm-hmm.
email ID. Don't give the phone number with a different email ID. Create from your mobile. The device will be different and the IP address will be your phone.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it might not block. Just try to create a fake account and try to create a page also.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll start with Google.
Add. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Arun.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.